Welcome to Skills and Academic Tuition Center. So in this video, I'm going to look at the extraction of iron. So basically, I will look at the method that is used in the extraction of iron and as well as the raw materials that are used in the extraction of iron and the equations involved. So now, iron is extracted from the ore, which is hematite, which is the iron 3 oxide, by the method which we are calling as the reduction method in the blast furnace. So you have to take note of those things that I've mentioned. The ore for iron, or the ore where iron is extracted, that is hematite, which is the iron 3 oxide. The method that is used is the reduction method. So now, what are the raw materials that are required in the extraction of iron? So now, what are these raw materials? So we have iron ore, which is the source of iron, coke, which acts as fuel and it's also used in the reduction of iron. Then there is also limestone, which is used in the removal of impurities, and basically limestone, that is calcium carbonate. How is iron extracted? So raw materials are injected, the iron ore, coke and limestone, and as well as the hot of blast air. Then the blast air reacts with coke in order to form carbon dioxide. So this first reaction increases the temperature in the blast furnace. It raises the temperature in the blast furnace. Then the carbon dioxide produced will react with more coke to form carbon monoxide. So this other reaction produces the reducing agent, which is the carbon monoxide. Then this same carbon monoxide which is produced will now reduce the iron 3 oxide. So iron 3 oxide is going to be reduced into iron and carbon dioxide. So this particular reaction is the reducing reaction. It is the reaction which produces iron, which is reduced from iron oxide. So iron 3 oxide is reduced to iron and carbon dioxide is produced as a waste gas. Then when we talk of limestone, what is the essence of limestone in the blast furnace? So limestone is broken down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So the calcium oxide will further react with silicon dioxide, which is sand. So as it reacts with silicon dioxide, it's going to form what we are calling as calcium silicate, or which we are calling as slag. The slag will settle on top, or will float on top of iron. As it floats on iron, it is preventing iron from reacting with air. So the molten iron will be collected and be used for industrial purposes, and as well as the iron will also be collected and be used for other industrial purposes. So basically, this is how iron is extracted. So when you are dealing with the extraction of iron, first of all, you have to know and as well as remember about the raw materials that are used in the extraction of iron, the reactions that produce carbon dioxide, they are very important, and as well as the reaction that produces the reducing agent and the reaction that increases the temperature in the blast furnace, and as well as how the breakdown of calcium carbonate is done. So these are some of the key things that you have to take note whenever you're dealing with this particular concept, which talks about the extraction of iron. Thank you for watching.